Ever dreamed of building your own rocket engine? Imagine the roar of combustion, the raw power at your fingertips, turning basic materials into a controlled explosion that defies gravity. Forget buying kits. You can build your own rocket engine from scratch. This video reveals the secrets of powerful engine design step by step. Discover the science behind the components, learn how to assemble them, and get ready to experience the thrill of rocketry firsthand. Ready to explore the exciting world of rocketry? This video will empower you with the knowledge and skills to build your own powerful rocket engine. Learn the science, the engineering, and the step-by-step process, and take your rocketry journey to the next level. Today, we're going from zero to hero and building a real functional rocket engine, safely and smartly. And yes, this is the real deal. But before we dive in, safety first. Rockets are dangerous. This is for educational purposes only. If you're not experienced, don't try this without professional supervision. Got it? Good. Let's get started. Understanding rocket engines. Rocket engines work on Newton's third law. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Burn fuel at high speed out the back and you shoot forward. Simple, right? But how? Key components of a rocket engine. Combustion chamber, where fuel and oxidizer burn. Nozzle, accelerates exhaust gases for maximum thrust. Propellant delivery system, feeds fuel into the chamber. Today we're building a solid fuel rocket engine, the simplest kind. No pumps, no complex valves, just fuel, a casing, and a nozzle. Materials and tools needed. Materials, fuel, sugar-based propellant, KNO3 plus sorbitol. Engine casing, steel pipe, rated for high pressure. Nozzle, graphite or clay. Ignition system, electric match or fuse. Insulation, epoxy or fireproof clay tools. Drill and files. Scale for measuring chemicals, mixing bowl and stove for fuel prep. Safety gear, gloves, goggles, fire extinguisher. Warning, always use properly rated materials. A weak casing, a pipe bomb. We want a rocket, not shrapnel. Fuel preparation, this is our candy fuel. 65% KNO3, 35% sorbitol. Cheap, effective, and melts into a moldable paste. Once it's melted, we pour it into our engine casing. But first, let it cool slightly so it doesn't crack the mold. Now we drill a core through the center. This increases surface area for faster burning. Building the nozzle. The nozzle focuses the explosion downward. Graphite is great, heat-resistant, and easy to shape. Secure it with high-temperature epoxy. If it blows out mid-flight, well, let's just say you'll have a very short launch. Ignition and testing. Never hold this in your hand. Ever. We're using a remote ignition system. Countdown 3, 2, 1. It works. That's real thrust. Now imagine scaling this up. But again, safety first. Next steps and advanced designs. Want more power? Liquid fuel engines are next level, but way more complex. Think turbo pumps, cryogenic fuels. Maybe a topic for another video? If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, should we build a full-scale launch next? Remember, science is awesome, but safety is non-negotiable. See you in the next video.